Ramir, working as a clinical instructor in Maniba Bhula Nursing College, Ukatarsaria University. So today I am going to demonstrate the procedure of open bed making. Introduction of bed making. Bed making is one of the important nursing techniques to prepare various types of bed for patient or client to ensure comfort and useful position for a particular condition. The nurse plays inevitable role to ensure comfort and cleanliness for ill patient. Definition of bed making. It is a process of making neat and clean bed for the client in hospital, or it is a process of stripping, cleaning and remaking the bed of the patient. Purpose. First, to provide clean, safe and comfortable bed for the patient to promote rest and sleep. Second, to reduce the risk of infection by maintaining a clean environment. Third, to prevent bed sore by ensuring wrinkle-free bed. Fourth, to economize time, material and energy. Fifth, to observe patient and to prevent complication. Sixth, to maintain a clean environment and neat appearance to the unit. Scientific principles. First, principle of microbiology. The nurse must wash her hand before and after bed making to protect the client and herself from cross-infection. Do not allow the dirty linen to come in contact against your uniform. Avoid shaking the linen to prevent spread of microorganisms and the dust particles. Avoid placing clean as well as dirty linen on another patient bed. Don't place dirty linen on floor. Instead, put in linen bag or hamper. If the linen is dirty with stool, clean the linen and then place it in other hamper. Do not mix with other dirty linen. Always clean the bed from less contaminated to more contaminated area. Second, principle of physics. Stand with your feet apart for a wider base of support and more balance. Keep the center of gravity as close to your body. Bend your knees and bear your weight on a large muscle of thigh to avoid strain on your back muscles. Always do the procedure from farthest to nearest side. Keep the bed at a comfortable height to avoid bending at the waist. Keep the article as close as possible to your body. It puts less of strength on back, legs and arms. Third, principle of psychology. A clean and well-prepared bed enhances aesthetic appearance. It promotes rest and sleep. Fourth, principle of economy. Assemble all the articles before starting the procedure. Arrange the linen in the reverse order of use. Use cotton blanket for safety and economy of laundering. Fifth, principle of safety. Make sure the seam of the sheet is not against the person's body. Make sure the sheets are not wrinkled. Use plastic protective covers on all mattresses and pillows. Kind of linen. First, blanket. A large piece of cotton soft woolen and is used for warmth as a bed cover. Second, top sheet. Used to cover the patient to provide warmth. Made a thick cotton thermal material. Third, cotton draw sheet. A piece of cotton spread over the rubber sheet and is used to absorb and moisture. Fourth, bottom sheet used to cover the bed after mattress cover. Fifth, rubber sheet or Macintosh. A small Macintosh with draw sheet is used to protect the bottom sheet from soiling. It's usually placed over the center of the bottom sheet. A big Macintosh is used to protect the mattress from soiling. if the mattress is not covered with the plastic. Types of bed. First, open bed. The top cover are folded back so the patient can easily get back into bed. Second, closed bed. The top sheet blanket and bedspread are drawn up to the end of the mattress and under the pillow. This is prepared in the hospital room before a new client is admitted to the room. Third, occupied bed is made when the patient is not able or not permitted to get out of the bed. Fourth, operative bed and surgical bed is a special type of bed made for the patient who is coming from operation theater or from another procedure that require anesthesia. Fifth, cardiac bed. This is prepared for patients with breathing difficulties and make use of cardiac table to relieve their dyspnea. Sixth, amputation or divided bed. This is the bed that is prepared for a patient who has undergone amputated limb. Seventh, fracture bed. This is a hard firm bed designed for patient with fracture, particularly of spine, pelvis or femur. 8. Burn bed. A burn bed is a special type of bed designed for hospital patient who has suffered third degree of skin burn across large portion of body. Bed making include stripping of bed, cleaning of bed and remaking of bed. Now we will see stripping of bed. Stripping is a removal of used linen once the patient is discharged from the hospital. Take the pillow, uncover the pillow, place the pillow cover at the end, check the pillow for it is soiled or not. If it is not soiled, we can reuse the pillow and place on the stool. After removing pillow cover, now we have to untuck all the four corners. Now next step is blanket. We have to check the blanket if it is soiled or not. If it is not soiled, we can reuse the blanket. So we have to untuck the blanket. We have to take the blanket edges. We have to join. We have to take it to one side. We have to not touch the blanket on the floor. Again we have to fold. Then again one fold. Two fold. One and two. And we have to place on the pillow. Now we have to remove the draw sheet. At the end, we have to keep at the end. We have to check the Macintosh whether it is soiled or not. If it is not soiled, we can reuse the Macintosh. We have to roll the Macintosh. And place the Macintosh on the stool. We have to gather the linen from the head. We have to gather on the foot side. After that, we have to place in the hamper. Last step of stripping, we have to check the long Macintosh if it is clean or not. If it is clean, we have to roll it. have to place the long Macintosh on the stool. Our stripping process is done. Now the bed is ready for cleaning. The cleaning can be either done by one person or two person. In this video, I am going to take the help of assistant.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Varsha Mahapre. I am here to assist Miss Roshni Gamit for the cleaning process of the bed.
For cleaning purpose, take one basin containing 1 liter of water, add 20 ml of Savlon in it, that is 1:20 ratio. Take a mitten. In this procedure, we have divided a bed into two parts. One part will be cleaned by me and one part will be cleaned by assistant simultaneously. Mitten into the solution, squeeze it, start the cleaning from the rail side. Now we have to clean the cot. We have to fold the mattress. Clean from the farthest side to the nearest side. Clean from the head to the middle. Take kidney tray. Collect all the dust. Now clean the mattress. Clean at the foot end in the same manner. Now fold the mattress. Clean from the foot end to the center. Take a kidney tray. Collect all the dust in the kidney tray. In the same manner, clean the mattress. Clean the upper part of the mattress from head to center. Take a kidney tray. Collect all the dust. In the same manner, clean foot end. Take a kidney tray. Collect all the dust in kidney tray. Now let us see remaking of bed. Remaking of bed includes two long sheets, one for covering the mattress and one for covering the patient, one Macintosh, one draw sheet, one blanket and pillow cover. Before remaking the bed, let me show you how to fold the sheet. Now we will see bottom sheet which is to be spread on mattress. This is the right side of the linen and this is the wrong side of the linen. Take both the ends of the linen, fold right to right in case of bottom sheet. Make sure that your clean linen should not touch the floor. Fold it inner side. Make sure this open side should face foot end and make two folds, 1 and 2. Now we will see the folding of top sheet. Top sheet is used to cover the patient. Take both the ends of the linen, fold wrong to wrong, make sure your clean linen should not touch floor, fold inward, make two fold, 1, 2. Now we are ready to remake bed. Take long Macintosh, long Macintosh is used to prevent mattress from getting soiled. Tuck both the ends, take bottom sheet, place it on the center of the bed, always cover head end, then foot end. Tuck head end first, make mitten corner at 4 corners. Grab the lower hanging of the linen, make sure it make triangle, tuck the leftover linen, pull it back and tuck the linen. This is how we make mitten corner. Take Macintosh, place it on the center of the bed. Take top sheet, place it on the center of bed. Cover the head end, then foot end. Take blanket, place it on the center of bed. Spread head end, then foot end. Take blanket and top sheet, tuck together under the mattress only at the foot end. After tucking, make half meter corner, take blanket, make triangle, tuck leftover blanket, pull it back and leave open. Coming to the head end, hold blanket and top sheet, make one fold at foot end, make small fold and leave it. Make sure there should not be any wrinkles on bed. Now our open bed is ready to receive another patient. And pillow cover, Make sure the opening of pillow cover should not face the door. Now our open bed is ready to receive the patient. This is all about open bed. Now we will see closed bed. We have already prepared open bed. What we have to do is take top sheet and blanket, cover entire bed along with pillow. Now tuck the top sheet and blanket under the mattress. Now closed bed is ready. Now closed bed is ready. I hope you understood about open and closed bed. Thank you everyone for watching the video.